Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadgets and how to use them like a pro. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but essential: how to turn on your Acer laptop in 2025. Whether you're unboxing a brand new model or troubleshooting an older one, this quick guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Acer laptop is ready to power up. Start by locating the power button. On most Acer laptops, it's typically found on the top edge of the keyboard, often integrated with a fingerprint sensor, or on the side of the device. It might even be labeled with a power symbol, like a circle with a line through it. Before you press that button, double-check a couple of basics. Ensure your laptop is plugged into a power source if it's a new device or the battery is low. This prevents any unexpected shutdowns during startup. Now, go ahead and press the power button firmly for about 1 second. You should hear a soft chime or see the screen light up as the laptop begins to boot. If nothing happens, don't panic, it's probably something simple. Try holding the power button for a few more seconds to force a restart, or check if the battery is properly seated. Also, verify that your charger is working and connected securely. Acer laptops in 2025 might have advanced features like quick boot options in the BIOS, so if you're dealing with a specific model, keep an eye out for any LED indicators that signal power issues. Once your laptop turns on, you'll see the login screen or the Windows, or whatever OS you're using, startup animation. Enter your password, and you're good to go. This process is quick and easy, taking just a few seconds. Turning on your Acer laptop is the first step to unlocking its full potential, whether you're browsing, working, or gaming. If you run into any hiccups, feel free to check Acer's official support site or drop a comment below for more tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more 2025 tech guides. See you in the next video.